Welcome back to Wicked F150. So there's actually the interior mod today, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I've already done to the outside to make it look different, to make it look like my own, how I want it to look. You guys already know, of course, that I swapped out the headlights from the stock. I'm going to now edit in a quick little comparison that I did from the 18 to this one with the headlights and the stance and all that, because this of course now has the 2-inch level in the front, and the 18 F150 18-inch sport factory rims with the Cooper STT Pro 34-inch tire. They're 34 by 11.5 actually. If you do that setup, you need a 1/2-inch spacer at least on factory rims. But I tinted every window but the windshield at the moment. It is 5% the whole way around. Of course, the rear windows and the far rear window, they come tinted or stained factory. They're not actually, it's not a tint, it's a stain glass. But it's 5% matched the whole way around. So it's 5% on the windows, and I think they put like 15 on the all three back windows to get it to look the same. Of course, the vent guards, which I'm still having issues with the passenger side for whatever reason, kicking the window back down. I have not had this issue before using WeatherTech in the guard shades, but for whatever reason, and it's just the passenger side window. I don't know, I don't get it. But I'm gonna get some 3M tape and see if I can make it stick to the outside seal part to fix the window. But so the level, tires, tint, vent shades, headlights, of course changed the fog lights to the LEDs that I had. Now the fog light LEDs are the BEAMTECH, because those are the same as the 18 bulbs. So I just took them out of the 18 and put them in here. Now these headlights, the aftermarket ones, are H7s. The stock LEDs were H11s. So I had to get different bulbs for this. They are the Hikari. Now go ahead and stay tuned. And the next couple of days, I just got a new set of LED headlights that we are going to test out and see how they compare. I got highs and lows, so we're gonna do a comparison between them and how they compare to the Hikaris. As you can see, I also took apart and painted the emblems. Sorry for all the bug guts on there at the moment. It was washed and clean, but I don't like all the red. I've never been a fan of red, and yes, I got a sport edition with a whole bunch of red, which is growing on me. I do like. But this bright red, I can't stand it. And I wanted the emblems to match. I didn't want to do them all black again, but I couldn't do the bright red. So I just like faded it kinda. And I think it came out really nice. I like the look of it. It still has a red tinge to it, but it's not that brightness that I just can't stand. Of course, the 13-inch rubber antenna that I have on my channel, that does not break at all. I love this thing. I'm telling you, if you guys haven't gotten one yet, get it. Look at this. No problems whatsoever. I've now had it on both trucks, and it's done amazing. Now, of course, I took everything from the 18, so the drop-in bed liners in here, the tonneau covers in here. I took the LEDs and put them in the third brake light. I put them in the license plate lights, and of course painted the rear emblem to match the front. And I'm telling you what, I just love it. Now, of course, I also did the tailgate assist. I have the DZ tailgate assist. I know there's a lot of people that say about the OEM one because it tucks in on this side behind the metal, behind the frame of the bed in the taillight somewhere, so you can't see it. I don't care if I can see a 10-inch actuator right here at the tailgate. Like, it's right against the wall, the inside of the bed. Like, it doesn't affect anything, and I'm not worried about the look. So it works for me, especially for 25 bucks. But that has actually been on the 18 and now this one since December of 18. So it's been on there just what we're looking at almost 9 months now, and I've never had a problem. It works amazing. And of course, I swapped out the tailgate handle from the 18 to this one because the 18 had the white. The 19, this one had all black. And I just like that, you know, the contrast in between. So I swapped out the handles. Now, let's get to the inside, where the big modification is going on. The center stack. It is a 12.1 inch screen. Let's go ahead and get to the install, and I'll show you guys how I put it together. How, of course, if you purchase, how you would then put it together, and then we'll turn it on and show you how it works.